We're about to go do with this S13 Silvia is definitely not legal. We need to get the hell out of here like right now. All right, we're here with Reg, no face.
You can show my face. My face is all over my Instagram anyway.
This is his S13 Silvia that was purchased from us. That's been recently converted into a complete drift car. And look at that paint. Unbelievable flake. And you could see, well, maybe not so good, but we got the Toprank logo on the top thanks to Heip. There you go. Definitely gets drifted, and you can see the super street legal light bar he's got there, which should hopefully give us some improved vision for what exactly it is that we are about to do. All right, we're here with one of our customers that's gotten to be a really good friend of mine, and his S13 that was not like this when he got it from us, but it is quite modified for drift now, and we're about to go do some night drifting. This is Heip.
I'm Heip, also known as Reg on Instagram.
Known as Reg on Instagram. Definitely check the description below. I'll put his information there, but this is his S13. All right, man. What have you done to it since you got it from me?
It's pretty basic. All I did was got a Wisefab kit and some coilovers. So just lowered it, stiffened up, and the Wisefab kit got crazy angle. It pushes the front out, so the whole lower control arm is way out from where the stock is, and so that's why the wheel looks kind of crazy out like that. And then the camber is so I can tuck that wheel in. If I got skinnier wheels, I could reduce the camber and the caster, because the Wisefab kit allows you to run with less camber and still have flat tire patch even in cornering. So, but I had to camber it anyways to get these super wide wheels to fit. But that's pretty much it. You know, got the body kit for everything to fit right, and then painted it myself and threw on some stickers.
What we're about to go do with this S13 Silvia is definitely not legal. So, heading to Mexico. Definitely not breaking any laws or anything. But this car is, full disclosure, not a Toprank company car. However, it was purchased from us and has since been modified into a whole nother sort of animal, which you guys are gonna see right now. Right, this is the spot. We've gotten to a spot where we think we can do some hood rat stuff. So,
are you ready?
Why don't you let this thing rip?
All right.
Hopefully the camera stays on.
Okay, here we go.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Holy shit! just been ripping this thing, and we're gonna show you what it's like from the outside because this thing is dope. So go get it. Woo! Send it, bro. To get the hell out of here like right now. Let's dip. Let's get the fuck out of here. Woo! Is there another way out of here?
Yeah.
All right, let's roll. Woo! Oh my god, dude, that thing was so, ooh, that was wild. All right, okay, hold on. All right, let's dip it right. Alright, we are dipping right now.
I was planning to go do the donut around you the whole time, but I didn't want to tell you because I didn't want to scare you.
It looks seriously sick, dude.
I was like, should I tell him or should I just do it? I'm just gonna do it.
Yeah, dude.
I got pretty good at those donuts.
Yeah, dude. I was not expecting that.
Is there a car? No.
Out of there before the cops could get us.